Hey guys, good morning, good morning. Welcome to another live session with Stocks Never Trading, guys. My name is Dave, my partner is Ron. Hope everyone's having a good morning so far, guys. Current time is 7:51. All right. We're going to be looking at gold and US 30 today and Nasdaq a little bit at market open. Okay. Hope everyone had a good London session. If you traded it, had some nice big moves here. Gold had a nice move. Nasdaq had a really nice move. A lot of good moves, guys. Okay, but today the two we're going to focus on is US 30 and gold for the time being, and then we'll look at maybe Nasdaq a little bit during market open. Okay, so guys, make sure to check the description box. Not a buy or sell channel here. We're here to provide free technical and fundamental analysis. Obviously, any trades taken up on yourself. Okay, try not to risk more than 1%. All right, anything can happen in the market. We have news at 8:30, which we will go over. Okay, and we're going to start from there. Okay, guys, also make sure to check the description box if you're not looking for a new broker. Okay, there's a link in there for HankoTrade. You can check it out. Open up a demo account. If it makes sense for you guys, do it. Some people, they like cryptocurrency. Some people in the US can't get it, so that's why we do it. We're a believer in the crypto game. Okay, so with that being said, guys, let's get down to business. Ready to start here. Let's do a top down and get ready into our 5-minute time frame. Okay, so let's get ready to rock. I can see some daily support right here. Okay, there's support coming in at around 1727, 1728 mark. Okay, and then I'm looking right up here for some daily resistance. Okay, so nice little close daily resistance at around 1758, 1760 area. Okay, remember guys, this chart is on Owanda. Okay, so some numbers might be different than yours. Okay, let's take a peek now at the 4-hour. Okay, 4 hours showing nice bearish momentum here so far. 4-hour resistance. Okay, and I see some nice support level here on the 4-hour coming in. 4-hour support. Okay, let's watch. Make some updates here. Okay, let's take a look at our hourly now. Okay, so I see nice hourly support coming in right below here, guys. You can see nice structure. We started to break down here, nice long wick. It's looking pretty good. Okay, and we're starting to hold around that 45 mark, 44. Okay, so let's take a peek here. We actually sold below 45 and it dipped down for about 25 pips, and you can see the long wick push back up around the new 15-minute candle. Okay, so 1-hour support. Okay, and I'm looking at some 1-hour resistance area just right above here on the bearish candlestick. 1-hour resistance. Okay, let's take a peek at the 15 now. Okay, let's just watch and see, make some updates here. Okay, I can see some on the 15-minute, guys, a nice consolidation area. Prices tried to break. We know that 45 is a huge support line, gate or support zone. You can see a lot of buyers are probably sitting here with some nice pending orders, some liquidity. If we break here, guys, you can see we can come all the way back down to that 1740 area. We've already done it once, okay, with that big long wick down to 1742. All right, and you can see it started to push back up. So let's just watch, wait and see here. Be patient, guys. The news is coming in at 8:30, so that's the time that I'm really looking for everything right now. Okay, so I see some 15-minute support just at the wick. Okay, and I see some resistance here starting to form on the 15. Okay, so we're in some indecision right now. Let's take a look at the 5. Okay, you can see we're in that consolidation area. And if we do break below here, guys, I'm looking at the 1740 as a structural support. Okay, so let's watch, wait and see here, guys. Let's add an alarm. And we'll add one more right up here. Okay, I'm just going to update that a bit. There we go. and we'll get ready to go, guys. Okay, a little bit of a short-term uptrend here on gold so far. Just gonna watch and see if we get that breakdown for the continuation. Okay. And we're gonna see how the gold is gonna move. Okay, let's take a peek now at Nasdaq, guys. Sorry, US 30. Okay, US 30's got a nice little breakout here coming on. Let's go to our daily here and do top down, similar how we just did gold. Okay, so it was showing nice bearish momentum here. You can see that it dipped off on the daily. It's coming to that nice area where it's a demand zone. Okay, you can see to the left was one supply. Okay, nice push, rejected, pushing back down. Here you got some rejection coming into the structure here. Okay, so let's watch and see how we're going to get while we're in this area around 32,950, 32,375 area. Okay. All right, so let's get ready to go. Nice daily support here. Perfect. Feels good. All right, I have some daily resistance right above, guys. Okay, I see that long, big rejection. That's a pretty far away area, so I'm going to use this marking right now, and I might just downsize this just a tad. Okay, get that support level. That'll be daily here. Okay, so that'll be 33119. Okay, so daily resistance. Okay, and I'm going to take a peek at the 4 hour, guys. Okay, nice 4 hour rejection area starting to come in where we're currently at. All right, let's make this a little bit bigger. I see some nice support here on the 4. Okay, 3720 is 4 hour support. Sorry guys, I have something in my eye here. Perfect. All right, make this a little bigger. Gonna come up right at the previous resistance here and then start to use this. Okay, so 4 hour resistance. All right, let's take a peek now, guys, at the hourly. Okay, you can see we're starting to make a little bit of an uptrend here so far. Okay, overall is downtrend. Okay, keep that in mind. The overall trend is bearish so far. What I'm looking for is a nice hourly resistance here. And that's roughly at almost 33,32960. Okay, and then I'm finding a nice level of support on the hourly. Okay, so 1 hour support. Okay, let's take a peek at the 15, guys. So big long wicks. Okay, pushing price up. You can see to the left here. Nice 15-minute. 3005. Okay. Resistance. Then I'm looking at a 15-minute support level just below. Okay, Goldie's pushing up a bit, guys. You can see by that big liquidity grab it did, coming from 40 area. Okay, we're just going to watch and see here the next couple moves. Just finishing up US 30 on the 5. Okay, new hourly switch over here. Okay, that's why you're getting a little bit of a push on gold. Okay, and you can see where we're heading in on US 30, guys. A lot of choppy action here. We're just going to consolidate this general area before a big move. Okay. So everything switched, guys. You can see Goldie found some support. Okay, started to bounce off that trend. Okay, and now we're testing the overall 15-minute resistance, guys. You can see it's getting pushed down at roughly 1746.5. Okay, we're going to check everything now. Start to put on just some indicators to see where we're at. Okay, let's take a peek. See the 9 just starting to close above, right around the 200 here, guys. A little bit of rejection. We started to push down, okay, from around 46, 45 mark, and now we're clearly right back in there testing it. If it starts to push, guys, you can see it'll be a little bit of a golden cross, which gold can push back probably to that hourly 1749, 1750 area. Okay, so we'll just monitor both of these guys. If we do close above here, you know, this can obviously have a little pop above. You can see to the left, guys, we had the same thing happen. Okay, and it pushed up to about 48. We got some rejection. I'm still just waiting to see how we're going to make a move here coming in for the first 5-minute close. Okay, just opened up here, got about 2 minutes and 10 seconds left. Okay, so let's just check out US 30. Pretty much in the same area here. Okay, so my goal next is to check out the news. All right, guys, so you can see here we have two news folders at 8:30. Well, there's technically 3, but 2 orange news folders, durable goods, and then core durable goods, guys. And then you have 10 a.m. pending home sales. Okay, one sec. All right, so this news is coming in about 25 minutes. Okay, so anything can kind of happen here. Let's take a look at this why traders care. Leading indicator of production. Okay, rising purchase order signals manufacturing will increase as they work to fill the orders. So you guys can understand durable goods heavy set in the US right now. So this will be a really big impactful folder coming in at 8:30. Okay, there's US 30, guys, nice little push. Okay, big move. Everything is kind of moving right now, guys. Gold is pushing up. Okay. Everything is moving right on that first 5-minute candle. Everything is moving, guys. Everything is moving right now. So we're going to wait to the close, and we're going to see how it's going to move. Okay, and US 30 is following the same suit here. Okay, nice long trend on US. Coming to a key area here on the left, you guys can see here a lot of sellers are pending here at around 33,000. Okay, we just broke above here on the 200 and we made a high. Okay, here's the higher high to begin with, the low, and then you made another high here. So we just broke previous structure to the left. Okay, so that's a really good sign. So we're just going to watch and see what kind of continuations we're going to get. Okay, we know where the 9 and the 200 are now. We can remove these. Don't need to always have them on there. Let's take a peek at the RSI. You can see we're slowly getting to an overspot territory right now. Okay, I'll add in the 50 line. And we'll just go through the same thing for gold. Okay, gold is holding. So far, we're just breaking above that 50 line. Okay, so if we retest here, guys, we're going to see if we're going to get a hold and then start to push baby back up on the continuation. We're pretty far away from that trend, okay? So let's see if we're going to get a retest on here. All right, remember we're near that 200 EMA and we're near the 9, so this is a good sign. Let's just wait. This is the break you want to see, okay? And we're going to watch. See, Nasdaq, guys, that's still running from last night. Okay, that's a big move. All right, guys, we sent this around 10 o'clock, and you can see it was a swing trade for about maybe 115, 140, 20 pips, depending on where you got in. Okay, and you can see GU, guys, starting to push up here with a little bit of momentum rejection, very similar to gold. Okay, so let's just watch here. Let's go check with the DXY, guys. Okay, so check this out. Yeah, that's why gold got a little bit of a push. Okay, you can see the DXY nice M pattern sold off here, and now we're testing that overall support level. Okay. Okay, so there's gold, guys, testing. Okay, so you see how we broke above. All right, set up our chart here. This is what we're looking for, the re-entry on 46. If this is not going to happen, okay, then we're just going to start to push back down and test this overall trend line before the break is going to make its move. All right, so just monitor accordingly here. We're going to see how everything's going to move. Okay, guys, so possible buy needs to re-enter the zone and hold above there. Okay, if not, we're going to push back down. Okay, if we look on the 15 minutes, guys, okay, you can see nice rejection wick pushing back down. Remember, we're in an overall downtrend here. Okay, so if this holds down, this possible buys, we're just going to erase it and continue to overall sells here. Okay, and I'm selling below the on hour support. All right, it's always good to check your higher time frames. You can see that big long wick getting pushed back down. Okay, you can see it's just the 5-minute candle pushing price initially back to the attempt of the open here. Okay, so watch the first 15 candle, guys. You can see US 30s testing again. I'm just going to erase this consolidation on US 30. Okay, 32919. All right, looking for a key area right here. Okay, so 32919, guys, right around the hourly here. I'm gonna watch and see. Okay, you can see Goldie's getting pushed back down here so far. New candles opening up bearish. Okay, starting to continue down and test that overall trend. It looks like you said, guys, a head and shoulders here. Okay, so that's why I said wait for the open and the retest, because if not, we're just going to sink off and come back down and start to get to that 1740 area. Check with this 32. Okay. So guys, patience is key right now, and the reason why is we have that news coming in at 8:30 here. Okay. Okay, gold is very slow. Now sees a little bit of rejection there. Okay, you can see GU got a little push, then pull. And you can see the DXY is holding. Okay, nice volume here in terms of demand so far. Okay, what I'm really looking for is this general area right here. Are we going to get a rejection here? And price starts to break back down and fill that wick. Okay, or like what I mean by that is we're going to get a rejection push, break the demand. Okay, or are we going to push up here, hold, and start to move? Okay, and that will be the overall TP rate at first. We'll set some alarms. Set one more just below here, guys. Okay. So patience. Now G is pushing down. I bet you gold is following suit here. Nasdaq selling off. You can see gold is still pushing back down. Okay, so we can erase this for now, guys. We're just going to use possible buy areas here. Okay, like I said, if it starts to bounce off, then we'll start to add it again. Okay, but that will be the general area from this zone to this zone, the 1 hour from 49.5 from 46.5 roughly. Okay, and you can see US 30 trying to break down here with the level of support pretty strong at that 32945 area. Okay. So let's throw in the 200 again, guys. There's some more people joining in now. Throw in the 9 here. You can see we're above 200 is right around that sell. Okay. So patiently, we're just going to sit here and monitor. This is a nice continuation, ignited candle. There's no lower wick. The only thing I'm noticing is that top. All right, and obviously anything can happen here. We're coming to the first 15-minute time frame, guys, on the new 8 a.m. hourly. Okay, so let's just watch and monitor how everything's going to move. And it's going to come in about 25 seconds. You see gold is just at a standstill. Okay, so 46.5, guys, still below first 15-minute candle, not much volume. Okay. You can see that US 30 is still holding strong, guys. Nice bullish momentum here. Okay. Okay, you can see gold is starting to rise, guys. If gold holds above this area, guys, like I said, I'll take a short-term buy. But again, if they're not closing above before 820. Oh wait. Guys, I took a feeler buy on gold right now, small lot size. Okay, I just want to see if we're going to get a close above here. If you don't feel comfortable, guys, just wait until news. And my feeler buys are not large lot sizes. It's just to see if we're going to get the overall trend. Okay, nice rejection here. You can see closing above that continuous candle right there. Nice rejection coming from that overall trend line. Okay, so if we start to break down below here, guys, I'll look to take the exit. All right, and we'll maybe switch over. Still gonna watch and see the overall structure here. Okay, let's take a peek, guys. US 30s too. So slowly, a little bit of retracement coming in, testing that trend. Okay, so we're gonna watch and see on US. Okay, you can see gold is getting pushed down, guys. It's coming to my level of support. I'm not gonna let it break down below here. That is 0.1, $10. Okay, so we're just gonna watch and see how we're gonna get if we get near this area right here. If we don't close below here, guys, I'll still hold. But if we start to break below the structure right here, I'll look to exit. This is why you do feeler buys and not large lot sizes right off the bat. Remember, we could be forming the head and shoulder pattern here. This candle, the wick, these wicks right here are starting to confirm a little bit of the downtrend. All right, that could be starting to form. Okay, now the only thing is because we have news, guys, take a peek at the DXY here. Okay, we're trying to break down. All right, and gold is starting to follow the DXY. Okay, so this will be really interesting to see coming in at that 820 and then 830 area. We'll check out US 30 here. Okay. So see how it's holding a little bit of support. It's this level right here. Okay, so I still haven't exited, guys. I'm still holding. It's like a $15 drop. Okay, not too bad now. We're going to see. Okay, here's the new candle, guys, opening up. It's starting to test that trend. Okay, there we go. You can see it's coming up. Erase that for now. Okay, see how there's a lot of still buyers there at 1745. Okay, big liquidity around this area, 45, 44, 43. Okay, because the next big moves are going to happen right out of this. And this is just preparing for news, guys. That's all it's doing here. We got that 820 candle. Bounce against a little bit of a trend. Let's take a peek at US 30 now. Okay, Goldie's starting to, a little bit of a dip. Okay, US 30 is trying to break down too. Okay, gold is starting to get in that little bit of a trend here. I'm only down about 15. Okay, I'm going to exit that trade. Little $15 loss, the initial runner, and then we're going to look forward to news. Okay. Okay, so we got 821 coming in here, guys. Take a look at the Dow. Oil is starting to break down. It's at 94.3 right now. Okay, you can see US 30 starting to trash in terms of breakdown on that trend. And you can see gold is starting to break down too, just a little bit here. Okay, so we're going to watch and see. We're going to set up a trade coming in for the market to hit 8:30 time. Everything is kind of having a push-pull movement right now. Okay, US 30 is coming right to that little area here. Remember, we've got the 200 right around. Okay, still holding there, guys. Okay. So guys, let's just watch and see here. We got about 2 more minutes, guys. I know it's a patient session, but there's not much you can do. You want to watch and see how everything's going to move here coming in at 8:30, okay? Okay, so you can see it's still holding above here. Okay, see Goldie still trying to go a little bit bullish too. All right, everything's respecting those trends, guys. Okay, so right around the 200s, right around the 9s, you can see it here. Okay, so gold and GU, guys, they are correlated. Just keep that in mind. Okay, so you can see nice continuation trend from the bottom here on the Dow. Okay, it's still pushing up, guys, maybe forming a double top here. I think US 30 and Goldie are still holding strong. Yeah, guys, we've been in Nasdaq's buys since last night around 10. Go there and I'll show you right now. Okay, you can see Goldie's pushing above, guys. Okay, still holding on that trend. You can see that's Nasdaq starting to get a little bit of that short-term retracement here coming in. Okay. We got the US 30 here. Okay, guys, got about 3 minutes and okay, just under 4 minutes now. So we're gonna watch and see. Watch gold and US 30 coming in here. All right, both have been a little bit sideways trading so far since just the since we started around 8. I have a feeling around like 8:30 we're gonna have some obviously nice moves here. Might be a little bit delayed to what 8:45, and then 9 o'clock coming into 9:30 we'll have some nice overall moves. All right. Okay. And you can see Goldie's trying to hold. Okay, there we go. You can see it's starting to push up. Guys, everything will probably be affected by news here. Okay, so you can see gold is still strong. Okay, overall buy. Still looking pretty good. Okay, possible buy. So Kent along that trend line, still holding strong here. I closed my position, but the buy, obviously, you can see it had a nice continuation. Okay, we have a lot of big movement here coming in. Perfect, guys. So remember, we're still coming to a heavy supply area here. We got to break through. Multiple attempts have been rejected here. Okay, I'm not entering in on this, just showing you guys that if you had buys, guys, then you're looking pretty strong so far. Okay, gold is bullish. Nasdaq, a little bit hold here. Okay. You can see US 30 starting to hold too. And we're coming up to about 2 minutes, guys. All right. So if you're not in the gold buy, guys, let's just leave this alone for now. And we'll go from there. Watch it. I want to watch more US 30 here. No, Rob, I cut my buy. I cut my buy in a little bit of a loss. Okay, so we're just going to update this real quick. Overall trend line starting to hold. Okay, and we're coming into 25 seconds, guys. Gustav, it should be there. You can check it out. Okay, you can see gold's getting rejected. Pushing back down here, coming for the news. Okay, so just wait for the first little bit, guys, if you're not feeling comfortable trading news here. Here it is. Okay, so we'll check news right after here, 8:30 time. You can see how it started to move, and now it's at like a standstill right now, guys. Okay, you can see gold push back down, starting to hold here. Too much indecision for me right now. Okay, I like US 30 here. We're going to see if it gets down to the possible sell area. If not, we're just going to be chilling here. You see Goldie's trying to make a little bit of a move. Too much chop for me right now. Okay, you can see Goldie's trying to push, guys. Okay, so once gold gets this trade, we break through the supply. It looks like a nice buy here. Let's watch and see. No, we're going to get punched right back down, back into this consolidation. Okay, so we might have, like I mentioned too, a little bit of delayed news coming in here. Add an alarm just so we can get some momentum here. All right, let's update this real quick. Okay, guys, so we got some neutral news, and then it's neutral across the board almost. Okay, so that's why nothing's really happening right now. So if you're not feeling comfortable with anything, just watch, wait, and see here. If you look at gold too, gold had a heavy rejection here. Okay, pushing back down. It's a little bit indecision right now. Okay, so this is just clean, indecisive play. Okay, so just chilling here. Gold is holding. Okay, so a lot of indecision right now, guys. Okay, oil's pushing back down too, guys. Monitor oil here. You can see nice little resistance there on the 15. Okay, coming to a pretty key area, guys. Okay, and then US 30 is still holding, guys. Look at this chop where we're at. This is to be expected. You can see right to the left here. This is a crazy indecision. Just one of those days, guys. Just one of those days. All right. Let's take a look at Goldie. Push back up, push back down. Chop City. Let's see US 30. All right, so we gotta wait a little bit of retest, guys. I'm already in on this. Okay, I was in from 32927, 32919. Okay, there we go. Let's see. Okay, so we gotta wait for a key level here to be broken. All right, it's right near the 200 EMA, guys, so understand this. Okay, so let's go check out everything here. Remember, we got to close below. We haven't broken it yet. Just a little bit of patience here. Once it breaks, this guy is going to break with some force. Okay, 32919, pretty critical support level. Okay, you can see that gold is getting pushed back down too. Oil is getting pushed back down, tested. Okay, everything is near moving averages, so that's why you're getting a little bit of a standstill at the current time. Okay, let's take a peek at gold here. Everything is, there's Goldie pushing right back down, guys. Ooh. Slowly starting to drop here on US 30. Okay, so this is the area we need to get past. And if we do, these are our next TPs, guys, before the overall testing of support. Okay, about a minute and 23 seconds here, guys. This is coming to 840. All right. Okay, so see how it tested, broke, did not hold below just yet, starting to push back down. About a minute left. Let's take a peek at gold too. Pushing right back down, guys. Okay, so US 30 is running below the possible sell. I'm going to secure one of my trades here, guys. Okay, so I would have just hit TP1. All right, new candle's going to open up here. Let's watch and see if we can get the support. Just starting to show a little bit of support here, guys. There we go. Yeah, buddy, let's see if we can get this drop. If you guys want to secure it now, please go ahead, be my guest. Okay, dropped about 20 pips here. It's coming to that critical area. You can see right around here has a lot of price structure has been holding. Okay, might not even get down, so just don't get greedy. We can watch and see. Oh yeah, guys, I'm going to sell from 45 on gold. Let's go. Also, oil starting to punch down. Okay. Oh yeah, baby. Who's anyone hold oil here? Look at that big initial drop, guys. About 18 pips here. Don't get greedy on it. Can still turn into a W, remember? Ooh. Mellow flow, bro. I think you're out. Don't be buying US 30. Game time. Top TP2, guys. That's a 30 pip drop. I'm going to secure here. Okay, and I'm going to update you, send my 1 minute scalp to the Telegram. Anyone take US 30? I don't even really care about gold. Okay, so see that goldie pushing back down to 45. Keep getting burned by US 30, guys. So you got to watch our channel. Okay, guys, so move your stop loss to break even, secure if you're happy on this. It's a 30 pip trade, move live, it's pretty good. Okay, so let's watch. See, oil's getting a little dip down here. Nice impulse drop, still holding. Okay, watch the wick, guys. It's going to come back up and test. Oil is going to do dirty moves like this to us, okay? It dropped about 20 pips. I can still fill the wick. Okay, new candle opening up, guys. Oil's still running. US 30 still running. Yes, sir. I'm still holding this from 2927. And we just hit TP, guys. That's a 40, roughly 40 pip drop. Okay, congratulations, guys. I'm securing now. I'm not fucking around anymore. Dunzo. Congratulations to everyone on YouTube, guys. If you guys got this, huge congrats. Congrats to people on the Zoom. You know, guys, I just want to tell you something. I'm going to send something to the group here, okay, in Free FX group. This is, remember I told you we're working on a system right now. This was the system that let me know to sell from 32919, okay? So all of our trades, the Nasdaq trade yesterday that ran for 115 pips, we're working on something that's very, very nice. And I will do it right now. I'm going to send it out for you guys. And this was a move sent at 6:15 in the morning. Shenzhen, there's no sharing of the system. The only system you get is with SST. So you guys can see the free FX group here. Go check it out. Okay guys, let's check a look at oil here. Beautiful sell continuation, guys. Oil's running too. All right, look at that. Oh, beautiful, guys. Everyone, is anyone in oil, guys? That's a drop here and a half. That's around a 40 pip drop. Everyone's in oil on this one. Good, guys. Oh yeah, baby, look at that. Oh my goodness, don't be afraid, don't get greedy, guys. This thing can reverse at any time. You know your oil, you got to be loyal to it, so you got to take your pips when you can. Boom, baby. Good. I still think oil is going to drop here, guys, so we'll find another opportunity, maybe a pullback. All right, notice, guys, how we didn't even really care about gold after this. Okay, US 30 is still running. Yeah, you take the trade on German 30, guys. That's cool. That's awesome. See what I mean about US 30, guys? The support level is strong. Remember, this is hourly. Okay, and you can see here, guys, how much demand and buyers there are rate sitting here. Okay, like we can see it. It's clear. Hold, hold, hold. Buyers in the area. Do I trade vanilla too? No, but I drink vanilla protein. That's it. Okay, gold oil's holding here. Okay, US 30 is still. Look at gold, guys. If we focused on gold here, we'd be sitting with a thumb up our ASS. You know what I mean? Horrible chop session right now on gold. Okay, so that's why I'm leaving this alone. You see Nasdaq had a beautiful pullback, guys. Okay, let's check out GU. My man Rob Mack is still holding. Updating on GU here. Okay, still a little bit, not much movement. Best was Nasdaq, guys. Shit, we could have got Nasdaq from the top. Then there's US 30, guys. I think US 30 is probably going to fill this way, coming back down to demand. We'll watch though. See, we should have had this US 30 sell right here, guys. This would have been a way better opportunity, okay? And why it's coming out of supply here, you can see these candles. Okay, I still think US 30 is going to test down in here one more time, okay? I do, all right? You can see the rejection here. They even retested supply, okay? They broke down, held support, retested supply, finally broke down, okay? Then they had that attempt to try to break that support level here. That's when the entry should have been happening. Okay, that would have been a better entry than what we did. It was still nice what we got around 40 pips, but you could have added another 10 pips here with the break and retest of the overall initial trend line, okay? Does that make sense to you guys? Just put a yes if you understand right here. Like, this is the key level of support that broke. They retested it here and it even held down. You guys could have probably added, I would say, another 20 pips, guys. This 40 pip trade could have turned into a 60 pip move, okay? Which is a very, very, very big move, guys. Okay, it is. This was a nice move here, but this was an even better entry. Okay. I really wish we had got that entry. It would have been like textbook in terms of breaking that trend, but you know, the initial bearish sell-off had its continuation. Okay, so you remember we talking about the demand. I did say maybe we can get back down here. It might not happen right now. Okay, so again, this is all like just trying to walk through everything that's happening live. Obviously, this is 5 minute candles, so you guys can understand it's very volatile. All right, we just bounced out of demand, so I think that price can come back to probably the entry. So if you guys are still holding this, thinking it's going to dump off, secure now, guys. We can find another trade. All right, I've already put in the Discord. If you're happy, you're happy. Take your trade. All right, you don't want to let this thing kind of rip off and you know get at break even. You still want to close with some. All right. And then there's Goldie here trying to attest again. Okay, so let's go take a peek at oil here, guys. I'm watching an oil trade kind of happen. Okay, see how it's still selling off, guys. A lot of wicks. Okay. We'll monitor oil here. The Dow starting to push. You can see gold is starting to choppy right now. Some days, guys, you just got to stay away from gold. I know it sucks. Everyone likes movements on gold. Okay, so see it's just chop right now. I don't like the way this is looking. Let's take a look at Nasdaq starting to hold a bit. See GU, guys, very nice retracement here. Not much movement. Okay, and then you can see that US 30 is pushing right back up. All right, still holding. Okay, and then still some consolidation. Okay, so it looks like we're coming to the new 9 a.m., guys. I didn't realize there's 9 already. All right, so okay, guys, so we're going to do Nasdaq here. I know US 30 looking like a promising move. Okay, let's smash these likes, guys, to 300 here. Kind of same as yesterday. it just helps out with the stream, guys. We're literally almost 150 away from that 40,000 mile mark. Okay. We don't really do too much on YouTube other than just really stream live. So it does really help out if we can get those likes up to, a certain amount, 300. It just helps. And we do plan on doing some more trade recaps and stuff like that. We're going to share a little bit more things that we do in the Discord for you guys. And we do plan on doing a little bit maybe of a of kind of like a day in the life. Okay, so let's just we're coming to the 9 a.m. new 4-hour switchover, guys. If you guys are like not comfortable holding and drawdown or whatever it is, you should have been securing a lot more. Okay, then even this right now, you can see it's starting to push up towards the overall initial entry. Okay, so let's be careful here. Let's just monitor everything. We got about a minute and just under 2 minutes now, guys. Okay, and you can see we're almost at that new 4-hour changeover. Guys, I wouldn't be taking any trades right now. It's up to you, though. Obviously, everyone's got their own trading styles. And there's nothing wrong with that. But I generally don't like to enter in on or around the hourly. I'll wait for the new hourly move here. And they do happen quite periodically. You can see 655.7. This is the new hourly bullish move here, all the way till 8 a.m. 8 a.m. then switched it. So you can see hourly moves, okay, do happen on especially indices with nice liquidity, included. So that's why I always like to wait. And those are just 2 hourlies, guys. Okay, this one we have coming up at 9 is a 4-hour. Okay, so just keep that in mind. Yeah, oil is still bearish, guys. It just has to break below that 93.80. And that thing is gone. I'm watching it right now, guys. Oh, there it goes. Oh, there it goes, guys. Oh, guys, don't be afraid. It's going to push right back over the new hourly, maybe. Look at this. Wow. That's a big drop, guys. That is a big drop. Let's see if it's going to hold here. Oh, buddy, she's gone. Let's see. Remember I told you new hourly, 4-hour change up, guys, have massive moves in the market. Just watch here. Here's that new 9 a.m. If you guys are happy with that sell, okay, then secure it, guys. That's a big drop here. They retested overall entry, and they can push this right back up. I've seen this happen so many times, but again, this is a very strong momentum, guys. This was the break that we were looking for yesterday. And you can see it took a little bit of time, but now watch it push back. The thing is, I'm looking to the left. And you see this wick right here? It can still be filled, but that's the level of support that we're holding. And you can see if you're not taking profit, you can see gold and oil starting to push way back. Okay, so monitor this, guys. See that US 30 is still potentially selling here. Okay, still a little bit of hold up. You can see gold is just horrible. Okay, so slow and steady, guys. Let's take a look at Nasdaq here. Still looking bearish so far. And then the GU pound sterling is starting to dump off, guys. So let's take a look at the DXY here for the first couple minutes. Look at this, it held support. There's Nasdaq, gold. And US 30 still pushing down. Mega pips, stop loss is stop loss for US 30. You know what I mean? Like if you have your stop loss up there, it gives yourself a little bit of time to breathe. Excuse me, guys. Sorry. All right. So let's get everything getting down to business here. All right. We're just going to probably consolidate to about 9:15. Okay, almost at 300, guys, with 4 more legs. So we're going to do Nasdaq. Absolutely. Goldie's not the day. That's why we're not focusing on it 100% right now. Okay, oil's still holding bullish here. That's not to say that price can't go bearish at some point. So, but I did try to mention to you, look to secure. Okay. Hopefully no one is shorting. And at the bottom here, if you are chasing a trade, which is not good. The overall entry was the big M pattern. And members, we'll do that tonight on our webinar. We're going to talk about the Nasdaq the Nasdaq buy that was sent last night at 10 o'clock, which led for 115 pips. And then we're going to talk about this oil trade. Okay. US 30 is pushing down, guys. Nice move here. Let's see what we got so we can fill that wick. Barney, I am, yeah. Okay, so still testing that trend here. Still think we can get maybe back down there, guys. This is the key level of support here. If we break this momentum, it's going to fill that wick down to the hourly. I think gold is going to probably drop below 45 as well. We'll watch and see. 45 was the original sell here, guys. I'm going to watch. Okay, so that's right up there. If we get down breaking, that's what we're looking like here. Don't just enter randomly, okay? Okay, so US 30 did hold here. Let's watch and see. Sorry, wrong way, guys. Okay, so still holding nice support level here. Okay, we'll just watch and see how gold is going to move. Okay, so JPY pairs are going bullish. I haven't even looked at them. Gold might start to flip bullish here. We'll watch and see. Or sorry, Nasdaq, not oil. My bad. Or gold. New PC. Got 150 pips in total today. Beautiful. Good. You have to thank the admins on the higher time frame ones. Okay, guys, so we're just going to watch and see here. All right, 9:08, guys. I'm going to take a quick coffee break. I'm not really going to take a break. I'm just going to go run, grab a coffee here, and then I'll be right back. I'm going to leave it on gold. Okay, we're going to do Nasdaq guaranteed coming in here. You can see Nasdaq is finding a little bit of consolidation. Okay, and we'll go from there. Okay, you can see GU is starting to a little bit of oh my god, today is just horrible, guys. Okay, so we're just going to really leave gold on right now, and we're going to see how it's going to move. And I'll be back in 2 seconds, guys. Okay. Okay, guys. So you can see here. First of all, cheers. I always say 9/11 is like the worst time to say. So you can see gold is trying to push back down here, guys. Okay. US 30 is kind of in around that range. Okay, gold sells have been continuous from 53. Short-term pullbacks. All right. So just monitor this trade accordingly. We can get back down to that 15-minute, which is 1742 here. We're coming to a pretty key area right now where there's been a little bit of support here and some buyers. All right. So let's just watch and see here. Let's take a look at US 30. And we're going to look at Nasdaq now. Okay. 1 second. Let's just take a peek at US just so everyone can see. Just some consolidation here, very similar to Nasdaq. Okay, and you can see gold starting to dump. So it's already tapping. If we head down here, guys, it's going to have an alarm. This is running from 45 from this morning. Okay, we're just going to see if we're going to get that continuation sell here. All right. US 30 selling off, guys. Big drop here. Remember I told you can probably get down to that demand. There it goes. Cheers, guys. Hope everyone's having a good morning. New York is slow. Yeah, it is. It's a little slow. Still continuing, guys. And you can see Goldie's right at the, there we go, starting to slowly break down here. Oil push right back down, guys. Huge liquidity grab. Oh my God, let's see if we can sell more. Wow. Crazy, guys. Okay, so watch gold here. Nothing broken, closed below. A lot of wick, similar structure happened to the left. Okay, so just monitor this. Remember, there is some buyers in around here. I did mention that. Okay, so give it some time. You'll see that US 30 is holding a bit of support too. Okay, same with, oh, sorry, Nasdaq. US 30 trying to break here, holding that support level. Okay, so 9:14, guys. At 9:15, we're going to look at finishing up Nasdaq here, and it's going to come right now. Okay, so new 5-minute candle here. Oil opened up bearish here, guys. US 30 opened up bearish so far. You can see that gold has started to test that entry again. It got closed above here, so we know that that hourly support is very, very strong, guys. We know that hourly support is very strong. Okay. So let's just watch and see here what's going on gold. It's very indecision right now, bouncing in and out, okay? And we're going to start doing Nasdaq, all right? So let's erase everything, guys. I'll show you the Nasdaq trade idea that was sent last night just so you guys can see, you're not confused. That was it, okay? Nice bounce from that wick, and you can see the exact same thing here, okay? And it ended up running around 115 pips. So members, we will go over this trade tonight and why we look to send it and stuff like that. But that was a beautiful, beautiful continuation by judging by the wick. Okay. So let's erase everything here, guys. What time, Mo? Take a look at 10. Go look in the indices section. Let's see. Okay, let's take a peek. Oh, webinar, same time. Okay, so let's take a peek at this. 12815. 0.5. Okay, guys, these are my key levels on Nasdaq right now. Okay, these are my key levels on Nasdaq. So we're going to work based off these. iPhone, no, we're not doing that. If you guys realize these are some of the worst months to trade, you need to, I understand, taking less time on the charts and be more effective when you're on the charts is better, because I do find that there's a lot of people who do end, streams or whatever it may be, and then they go and trade during the day, and then you hear, I don't have an account anymore, or I'm down, or this or that. It's because people trade so much that, no, oil. Sorry, guys. It broke. That was a big candle there, guys. So, guys, listen. More is not better. Okay? More is not better. You guys understand that? You want to be effective, guys. Agent, I'm not revealing anything. You see, guys? Big oil sell-off. That's a big move, guys. Double top, perfect trade here. Okay. So for guys, the reason why I'm saying that, for everyone who wants to do, a ton of trades per day, you have to remember that the probabilities of you, being consistently profitable in every single trade, very, very difficult. That's a big move, guys. There it goes. As soon as it breaks this level right here, it's kind of already done it. As soon as it breaks there and holds, this thing's gone. It's coming back down to 92.8. Okay. So let's just watch here, guys. Now we're going to check out everything else. There's gold pushing back down here. It's currently, oh, sorry, that's US 30, guys. Looks like gold is just a little bit consolidated right now. They didn't break down. You can see clearly on the 15 minutes, this is not a good thing to trade at this time. Okay, it's not. So just watch and see here. All these wicks are closing above. It's still at 44.7, so you're only down maybe about 6-7 pips. Don't let this thing piss away if you guys are not comfortable trading gold. Okay, I still think maybe an overall move is going to happen. They're going to push it up and maybe push back down. It also looks like a head and shoulder pattern here. Shoulder, head, shoulder here. That can maybe sell off. Okay, but 921 is coming up, guys, so we're going to do Nasdaq. Just want to see what's happening on US 30 here. Okay, still a little bit of volume pushing price down. Okay, still selling off, guys. There we go, coming back down here. Nice. Oil's holding here. Okay, at 25 we're going to switch up. I just want to see if we're going to tap this again. And remember I talked about gold, you guys, so you can see it didn't close below a structure. I don't like gold right now. It's horrible. And we're going to work with Nasdaq. Okay, so we got about 5 more minutes, guys. Just going to sit tight here. Okay, so almost making it back down on in US 30, guys. You can see oil starting to hold there so far. Okay. $100 more, guys, and we're giving away a free lifetime, or sorry, free 1-year membership. Okay, so 925, guys. Everyone can enter, guys. Everyone can enter. Okay, so we're going to go to Nasdaq, guys. See Goldie getting pushed back down here, right at 45. There's Nasdaq selling here, okay? So guys, if we look to break, this is my structure I'm looking at right here, okay? Oh, guys, US 30. Sorry, I gotta switch back. Yes. Starting to push down. Let's see if we can get that tap. Okay, guys, so let's just watch and see here. Okay, so if you don't want to trade news, guys, just wait maybe 10 minutes, maybe 15 if you're not comfortable. Use small lot sizes and use stop loss. And trailing stop when applicable, okay? So let's watch. Let's see if we can break here on Nasdaq, guys. Got about 2 minutes and 44 seconds here. This is the key. We're going to see if we're going to continue past this overall structure. of buyers here. Okay, you can see that's where the buyers are taking control. We're going to see if we're going to break that and start to push down. It just started, guys. See the sells here. So if you're not comfortable, guys, remember, Victor, I'm out of gold. I have a small little runner on the original trade I had at 45 from this morning. Okay, and it's still pushing back down. I'm seeing it right now. So just monitor this accordingly, guys. It is still bearish. Pushing right back down at the entry. 1 minute and 10 seconds, guys. Okay, just under 1 minute. Now remember, this thing can push right back up, guys. So just be careful here if you're not comfortable looking to trade. All right. Here we go, guys. Just under 10 seconds here. Okay. US 30 just tapped the sells, guys. Okay, you can see Nasdaq pushed up right at the last minute. So as I said, just patience, guys. Patience here. You can see 47, 48 seconds. Okay, 9:30 has opened, guys. Okay, see how it's bullish? Nothing is broken yet. Everything is still holding nice level of support here. I just want to see US 30 for 2 seconds, guys, because US 30, I want to see if it pushed or pulled here. Okay. Okay, US 30 just dumped off huge. Okay, Nasdaq started to push. Okay, so as I said, just have some patience here. Have some patience. You can see that that trade entry I mentioned, we're getting the demand around 50 pips. Now watch Nasdaq coming in. Here we go on Nas. Okay, so still very strong, guys. Nothing broke. Okay, this is an engulfing candlestick here. Let it play out. 3 minutes and 25 seconds left. About 1 minute and about 40 has gone on. Okay, I haven't sold anything yet. I haven't done anything. I'm just waiting here. Okay, nice push. Okay, so for the first 5 minutes, guys, you can see support has been held, and you can see that structurally to the left, right, they're respecting these zones here. So buyers here, buyers here, buyers here, okay, starting to hold. So they are respecting the zone. Push, pull, okay. So let's watch and see here how we're going to come into the possible sell area on Nasdaq. If it's going to kind of a nice little breakthrough, okay, and maybe start to test in this area up here near the high, or if it's going to get rejected here, right near that 12900 mark, and start to push back down, okay? It already broke past my area of entry, okay, which would have been that possible sell near that 12900. So the only way I'm looking to enter again is if it starts to break this structured support here, okay, and starts to sink to the bottom, looking at that 12820 mark. Okay, so still holding. The minute has not closed yet. This is still the first little bit of the candle, guys. So you can see the last minute is going to have the most impact because that's when the buyers and sellers are really going to try to take control, okay? Okay, here we go. Just under a minute left. Oh, sorry, 45 seconds, guys. Then we're going to switch it, and then it's going to be the next candle opening up here. Let's watch and see how it's going to happen. We need to break that previous wick for the overall continuation. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful sell pressure here. Yep, there we go. New candle. All right, guys, I am in these cells here. I am going to secure. I'll send a screenshot so you can see. Secure. Okay, pushing back up here. Testing that overall now clean resistance area. Okay, you can see here what becomes demand. Okay, support could become resistance now. Okay, if you didn't take the sell, guys, don't worry, just watch and see. Wait for your 10 minutes. It's still looking bullish here. That projection area was clean. They might start to fill that wick. Okay, nice little liquidity grab, maybe pushing back up. Okay, so just patience, patience, patience right around here. Okay. Okay, so let's just change this up right now. See if it's going to act as a short-term supply area. Okay. Let's watch. Okay, so really kind of indecisively pushing through that supply zone. You can see how they're getting pushed back down, very slow, okay? We just got to see if price is going to, get rejected here and push back, or if it's going to break above and hold support and push, okay? Yeah, guys, oil went bullish here. Yep. Okay, everything's kind of flipping bullish now. You have US 30 finding support, Nasdaq finding support, okay? Everything is just in and around that area, okay? So it's coming in another roughly 2 minutes and 30 seconds until the 940 area. Okay, so we're just going to watch and see. You see how it's getting held up here? They can still push this up pretty strong. Okay. Harris, well, if you saw how gold was trading, then you probably shouldn't have been trading gold. If it gives you an aneurysm, man, that's not a good thing to be trading with. You don't want to have that, man. Okay, so you can still see here support level held. And it's starting to push past supply, guys. Okay, so far volume is holding, trying to fill that wick. Okay, everything is flipping bullish right now, guys. Gold, Nasdaq, US 30, and oil all have flipped coming in for the new market open. Okay, we're coming to a wick fill. All right, so like I said, it dropped here, held support to the left, functional support. Okay, right here, and then you can see it started to push up. So the only thing I did, guys, was sell this area right here. Took it down here, did not let it go into any kind of drawdown. I was very happy. Okay, we do have an orange, yeah, thanks, Brian. We do have an orange folder at 10. Okay, I'm still looking for these areas right in here. 1289495 is a possible sell area. Okay, and then my buys are 12815. Do I think oil will go up? I do actually. I do think it's going to pump up probably to about 95. Okay, it has a lot of opportunity because that was a big sell-off. Okay, nice big M pattern here. All right, and then you can see how much liquidity the buyers have now. The only thing is you just got to watch coming in on these news folders that are launching throughout the day. You know what I mean? I mean, yeah, if you guys want to wait till after the home sales, if you guys want to wait till after 10 a.m. news, more than welcome to. I'm only going to stay for 5 more minutes, guys. If anyone wants account management available, low risk, provide account management, share profit 50-50. What a donkey, man. Sure, Afghan. Get out of here. Block this guy. Account management. Probably ready to scam people. Deleted. It would be a good deal. How come financial advisors at TD Bank or whoever does it, they don't they don't offer that? Craziness, guys. Okay, so all right, everything kind of flipped, guys. So this was like a nice continuation from the overall bullish direction coming in at that 12805 area. Okay, everything is kind of just having an indecisive move. We can see this happened all morning here. All right, that was a big bullish engulfing candlestick on Nasdaq. Okay, pushing into the supply, which broke. Now we're just waiting for the overall, see if demand is going to hold or if we're going to punch right through this. Okay. Gold's moving in opposite move of DXY. Yeah, guys, they're kind of correlated. So generally, not always. If DXY is selling, gold could be buying. If DXY is buying, gold could be selling. It's not like 100% thing, okay? But it's just a correlation, okay? All right. So just read up on correlations if you guys are new to trading and stuff like that. Everything is not everything, but a lot of things are correlated with the DXY, okay? Which is the US dollar index. You can't get it on MT4, you get it on TradingView. Okay, so let's take a look at everything else here, guys. See that gold, hold the line for gold, guys. It's still selling off. I don't know why people said it was bullish. It's still dropping. Okay, and then you can see US 30, guys, very similar to Nasdaq. Nice big impulsive buy here. Okay, you know, that's a lot of volume pushing in. All right, so I think we can probably get back up to our high maybe. Okay, like that's a lot of volume. If they push this back down and erase all this candle, that you just know the sell pressure is very strong. Okay. And then you have Nasdaq just sitting here. All right, guys, in about 2 minutes, I'm going to call the stream here. Like I said, it was good until, you know, everything started to sideways trade right now. Remember, we have that news at 10. Okay, so you just got to be understanding that if you're in trades right now, don't hold, because any kind of news can have an effect. All right. So I'm saying here, 10 a.m. news, pending home sales. Okay, so this is going to be a decently large folder here. Okay, and then you can see there's not much trading throughout the day. Okay, you have crude oil inventories. This will be hilarious when we watch on oil and see what this is going to do. So this will be at 10:30, guys. All right. So, guys, with that being said here, I don't want to take too much time because I don't want to be trading. We've got about 15 more minutes and then it's pretty much a wrap, okay? There are some people asking about, you know, what we do and stuff like that. Like, there is a website pinned in the YouTube, but like I said, maybe you missed it. Okay. If you guys want, you can see here we do have some courses. It's not like a course. It's basically some introductory stuff, and then we have some strategies. Basically, it's something to help you get you started. Okay. We do have, like I said, trade ideas set up here. We give around 3 to 5 per day. Okay. We do live trading here. You can see this is our plans. I don't want to really go over them. You guys can take a look at it yourself. All right. We basically focus on, with our team, live trading, some education stuff that we put together ourselves, so it's our way of doing things. Trade ideas and trades, that's kind of done now with a little bit of a system we have. We're just slowly implementing it, okay? And then the mentorship kind of deal with what we do, okay? And you can see our schedule here, guys. London session, we're off the rest of the week. Just because it's August, we're taking a break, okay? So Thursday, Friday, London session is canceled, but all New York are still going to be resuming. Power hours, and you have the live webinars and stuff like that. So there's a lot that we kind of do, and on top of that, we give roughly all the trade ideas in higher time frames and kind of scalping. Okay. So, guys, with that being said, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. If you guys have any questions, please send us an email. We'll do our best to get in touch with you within 12 to 24 hours. Okay, there's a lot that we have going on, obviously, so don't get upset if we miss an email. We'll try to respond to you as best we can. Okay. All right, so guys, have a great day. Honestly, you guys, deserve the best, and I hope to see you tomorrow, guys. Same time, same channel here, and we'll go from there. Okay. All right, guys. Later.